Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the trend quality indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the trend quality indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 42 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We've also tested a total of 486 indicators, with 199 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these indicators and strategies on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the trend quality indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. I did go in and make a couple of changes to it, and so what I did was I just bumped up the weight of each of these lines, the TQ, TQ5, and TQ22. And so I changed them from being the thinnest line all the way up here to a nice bold line. And I did change this TQ5 from yellow to an orange line. So hopefully that'll make things stand out just a tad bit better. The setup on this is when the two lines, the gray and orange line, are above the blue line, then we are looking for long trades or long signals. And those long signals come from gray line is above the orange line. And so we're looking for both the lines to be above the blue, and then we are looking for the gray to be above the orange, and that will be a long opportunity. When we are below the blue, we are looking for short trades, and so we are looking for the gray line to be below the orange line, and then we will go short. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing, and we'll take a look at this a little bit more as we are going through the testing process. Alright, so our first signal right here is a short signal, and you can see that the gray line crosses down below the blue first, and then it takes just a couple candles before the orange follows, and that puts us with the orange crossing then down below the blue. The gray is also below the blue, and the gray is below the orange, and so that is a short, and looks like we were able to get to take profit on that one. So that's an example of one instance of when we would take a trade. The other one would be is if you see how the gray line crosses back up above the orange right here, but they're both still below the blue. If the gray then pops back down below the orange, then we would enter for another short. Let's go ahead and play it forward and see what happens. All right, so you can see right there that scenario that we were just discussing took place right there, where the gray line actually drops back below the orange line right there, and we would have taken a short, and that one also got us to take profit. So I hope that's pretty clear on exactly what we are looking for here. What I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing, that way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we're at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, a whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. And that has recently, we've had that transferred over into an Excel sheet as well. So you'll get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, and that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones are losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers, and together they have created a full suite of optimized profitable indicators that they're giving away to all the patrons for free. And they are working on turning those into trading bots as well. Once they have that all taken care of, they will be offering those to the patrons also. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, let's go ahead and get our indicator in focus here. That is a really good number of trades in 1 year's time. Let's go ahead and count them out and see what we get. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So we have 30 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 winning trades. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria, and it did so rather well. Not bad at all for it having 30 trades. That is a really reasonable win rate. It's in the high 60s. Definitely wish it would have been a little bit higher. There were moments though where it hit like this consolidation right here that it really got ate up. A lot of losing trades right there, and that was really the only bad part right there in that consolidation. And so even with that consolidation and those losing trades that it took on right there, it was still able to meet the 60% criteria and head up towards the 70s. And so all in all, yeah, not a bad indicator at all. I think this one would go right up there in some of the top tier of all the indicators that we've tested at this point. Definitely not the best win rate, but win rate with the number of trades, really decent, really decent indicator. And so I like this one. This one is definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.